Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, towing package, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2013 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.